Hello guys, and today you join me from the seat of my mate's Audi, and we are going to go and see, well, my new daily. Billy doesn't know anything about it, and me and Ed are hiding it from him. He's got a meet on Saturday, which is tomorrow, and today's Friday, and we're going to drive up to the meet in my new daily and surprise him. He thinks I'm coming in the M6, but I'm not. I'm quite excited for this car, and so yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Hi guys, you're joining me, Ed and Duncan from BED Performance. We're currently heading to Milton Keynes to attend Billy's first meet he's organised, which I think is a link up with Mexico City Revs Group. It's about an hour and a half drive. We've come along to surprise Billy in Duncan's new daily. I'll let you guys guess, if you can tell from the interior, what car this is. But we're going to surprise Billy. We haven't told him Duncan's picked up this car. He picked it up a couple of days ago, and we're just going to turn up to the meet to see his reaction.
Yeah, so Billy thinks that I'm coming in the M6. That is absolutely not the case. I'm in my my new daily, and yeah, we'll see what Billy thinks. Hopefully, it won't be anything too rude to put on YouTube. So hopefully.
All right, guys, catch up soon.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Just get out of the car.
What the fuck have you turned up in? What the fuck have you turned up in? Close to something about 50-year-old. That's perfect.
I sold the M6. I've got an extra diesel, 2 litre, 56 mpg down there.
You've sold the M6?
Financial, but I need a house, so
Oh no. Please tell me you're fucking joking.
What's wrong with it? It's got every optional extra. What? You're right, Billy.
Actually sold the M6. Simple question, have you actually sold the M6?
Oh, you're embarrassing me, mate, now. It's great, it's got a transit engine.
I thought it was your mum's car.
No, that's actually my new daily.
You haven't sold the M6?
Get M6 at home.
Mate, do not do that. You know I've got a weak heart as it is.
Mate, so yeah guys, this is the new daily. It is a Jaguar X-Type 2 litre diesel, 58 plate facelifted model. It's got 120,000 miles on the clock and runs like an absolute dream without a single worry in the world. It's fully loaded, it's got heat. My M6 hasn't even got a heated windscreen. It's got a heated windscreen, so for all those winter days I'm not going to have a worry in the world. It's got pretty much every single other option I'm sure of, and it looks gorgeous. The previous owners just had a front bumper respray done on it. The wheels have all been refurbished, calipers have all been done, and I think, as much as people think these are not cool cars and they're old men's cars, I think it looks quite cool, and I think it's got that classic Jag look to it, and I'm really looking forward to owning this and driving it around. And I drive around and it's comfortable, it's quiet, the efficiency is beyond belief. And yes, I've not gone German this time because I know if I go German I'm going to have a timing chain that falls out, rod bearings that fall out, and at the end of the day, fundamentally, this is a Ford Mondeo. Under it all is a Ford engine, it's a Ford transmission, it's Ford everything, and it's just a Jaguar skin, which is just a bit more cooler, a bit more nicer. And my mum's got one of these, as Billy said in the video. He said, I thought you turned up in your mum's car, and it's been perfectly reliable with absolutely no issues. She had one fuel pump go in, what, 15 years of owning it. She bought it when it was 1 year old, so I'm really looking forward to owning this, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Leave a like, guys, subscribe, and well, let us know what you think in the comments. Do you think this is a cool car, or do you think I've turned into a bit of an old man at 23? Let me know what you think, and looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one.